Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Smile Dog. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Smile Dog, let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to start by drawing a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come up in like a check mark shape. Next, I'm going to leave some space, and I'll do the same thing. We'll just go down, and we'll come up in a check mark. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a circle at the bottom of each one of these check marks, and that'll be the eyes for our Smile Dog. Then right inside the middle, let's go ahead and draw a little black dot in there for the pupils. Now for the nose, I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's kind of like a sad face right across the top. Then we'll draw a line that's going to go down, over, and bring it up here. I'll make two little lines that just kind of go down inside of here. Now right about here, let's go ahead and make a little curved line like this, and then another little curved line just like this. Starting here, I'm going to go down, we'll come over, and then we'll go up at an angle to connect them. Next, starting here, I'm going to go down, we'll bring this over, and then up here for one set of teeth. And starting here, I'm going to go down, over, and then up for the other set. Next, I'm just going to make some little lines that just come down on each side for the teeth. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and then down. Right here, for the top of the head, let's make a line that's going to come up. We'll put a couple little points, and then we'll bring it down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around and come down for an ear. And let's go ahead and do the same thing. We'll just come up, curve around, and come down for the ear. I'll put a few little zigzags inside each one. Then I'm going to come up and down here. So I'm just going to come up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a few little points that come down on each side, just for the sides of the face. And then I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then up here, and we'll just kind of connect this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little curved line underneath each eye. And then I want to work on the body. Now, to start off with this, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and I'm going to put a few little points on it like this. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down for one of the legs. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and around for a toe, and I'm going to do this 2 more times. We're going to go over, and I'll bring this up for a leg. Next, I'm going to bring this line out, put a couple points on it, and then I'll draw a line right across here with a couple points. Starting here, we're going to curve this line down for the back leg. We'll bring this line down. And then we'll do that same thing for the toes. We're just going to add a couple little curved lines like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to curve it in, and then we'll stop right about there. Now for the tail, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. We'll put a few points on it. And then I'm going to bring it right back in here with a few more points. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve in. And then I'll make a couple little curves on here for the paw, and we'll bring it up. And I'll connect it up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line in and down. I'm going to curve this around and do one more here for the other leg. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little zigzag lines up. And I'll make a couple more little zigzag lines right across here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go right around the face here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Smile Dog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.